Hey guys, Brian with another foundation repair tip of the day. So another statement from Angie's list was, does the inspection or the repair methodology follow industry standards? Well, I can say from Dalinghaus Construction standpoint is that we do. We do more testing, more measurements, more hands-on pictures, more involvement from the homeowner than probably every other foundation repair company out there that primarily focus with the residential repairs. So we do a lot of in-house diagnosing. We do a lot of feedback play off of one another too, in regards to understanding what they were looking for, what the exact cause of it was, and how the solution was going to better fix the home. So I would say you always want to make sure that whoever's going to be doing your repairs is keeping up that same kind of standard. Why would you settle for a company that doesn't want to give you the same high standards as everybody else? So keep that in mind in your next one, foundation repair project. And I will thoroughly agree with Angie's list on this one.